EU poor. UK announces new green energy project getting richer and far beyond the EU. Brexit. Britain is set to be invigorated with a £266 million government and private sector investment to develop the next generation of wind turbines. Prime Minister Boris Johnson is continuing with his push for the UK to become a science superpower after Brexit and reach net zero by 2050. The government has announced that over 1,340 jobs will be created and protected across the Humber region thanks to the £266 million investment. Offshore wind manufacturers Siemens Gamesa and GRI Renewable Industries will receive grant funding from the government's Offshore Wind Manufacturing Investment Support Scheme. Both companies will be supplying essential components to offshore wind farms, providing clean power across the UK, which can be exported globally. Mr. Johnson said, "The Humber region embodies the UK's green industrial revolution, with new investment into developing the next generation of wind turbines set to create new jobs, export opportunities and clean power across the country." With less than 100 days to go until the climate summit COP26, we need to see more countries embracing new technologies, building green industries and phasing out coal power for a sustainable future. The 26 Colombian Pesos UN Climate Change Conference, hosted by the UK in partnership with Italy, will take place from 31 October to the 12th of November 2021 in the Scottish Event Campus, SEC, in Glasgow, UK. In light of the worldwide effects of COVID-19, the COP Bureau of the UNFCCC, with the UK and its Italian partners, had decided to reschedule the conference initially slated for November 2020. Rescheduling the conference ensures that all parties can focus on the issues to be discussed at this vital conference and allows more time for the necessary preparations to take place. We will continue to work with all involved to increase climate ambition, build resilience and lower emissions. Business and Energy Secretary Kwasi Kwarteng said the Humber region is vitally important for the growth of the British offshore wind industry. He added, "Our announcement backed by private investment will give a boost to this important industrial heartland, creating and supporting thousands of good quality jobs across the region while ensuring it is on the front line of developing the next generation of offshore wind turbines." Siemens Gamesa will invest a total of £186 million to expand its blade manufacturing site located near Hull, where it will manufacture blades needed for wind farms. CEO of the Siemens Gamesa offshore business unit Mark Becker said, "Since our offshore blade factory opened in Hull in 2016, Siemens Gamesa has proudly served as the catalyst for the powerful growth the area has seen. The rapid development of the offshore wind industry, and continued, strong, long-term support provided by the UK government for offshore wind, has enabled us to power ahead with confidence when making these plans. We're committed to unlocking the potential of wind energy around the globe, with solutions from Hull playing a vital role." Siemens Gamesa continues to be the leading supplier of offshore wind turbine technology in the world's leading offshore wind market, the UK. GRI Renewable Industries will use £78 million to build facilities at Able Marine Energy Park, in Hull, for an offshore wind tower factory. Chairman and CEO GRI John Ribras said, "We are proud to participate in this major project to power British homes and communities with wind energy towards sustainability and carbon neutrality. This project will create a worldwide leader in the offshore sector in a market that is increasingly demanding and constantly evolving." The Offshore Wind Manufacturing Investment Support Scheme was announced by Mr. Johnson last year as part of his 10-point plan to create 250,000 British jobs in clean energy, transport, nature and innovative technologies. It is part of the Conservative Party's commitment for the UK to reach the legally binding net zero target by 2050. At the centre of his green industrial revolution are the UK's industrial heartlands.